The granny square is one of the most well-known patterns in crochet. Here's one way of crocheting a granny square. Slip stitch onto the crochet hook, and chain 3. Now some people they'll chain 4, join that into a slip stitch to make a circle and crochet around that circle. But one thing that you can do is, having crocheted 3 chains, start making double crochets into that first chain. So the 2 chains will count as the first double crochet. So you'll double crochet 2 more. And then that counts as 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 double crochets. And this chain 2 will be the corners of the granny square. Here's again chain 2. And that's 3 double crochet. You can see the shape of the square starting to form up with one corner here, a corner here. We will chain 2. That'll be the next corner. And one more set of 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of that initial chain 3. So we're already crocheting into the circle. So that's 1, 2, 3. So we'll slip stitch right here. And that is your first round. Now chain 3 and crochet 2 more double crochets into this corner. Again, that counts as your first set of 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next corner. Chain 2. For this granny square, we are chaining 1 going along the sides in between the 3 double crochets and chaining 2 at the corner. If you find that you crochet very tightly, you might want to crochet 2 chains going up along the side. It is a very forgiving and adaptable pattern. So here we've made another corner, and I'm going to chain 1 and go across to the next corner. And we'll do that all the way around. And as you near the end of this round, you've got the last 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets will go right here. Now to finish this round, chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 that you started the round with. Again, chain 3, two double crochets into the same space that you just made by making the chain 2. So that's right into here. Chain 1 and continue along. The 3 double crochets will go into the sides, and the set of 2 double crochets will be the corners. And as you see, you just keep going around, making it larger and larger. Often, granny squares will be connected together, sewed in together or weaved together to make an afghan or some sort of a blanket, but you can just continue making your rounds, making it larger and larger and larger. You can also, instead of starting off with the 4 sets of 3 double crochets in the center, like here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, you can start off with 5 in the center. There you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that just changes the shape of the granny square that you make. So you see, very adaptable and also a very forgiving pattern. You know, whether you want to do 2 chains on the sides or 1. Some people make 3 chains to form a corner. And that is the granny square. Whether you're a beginner at crochet, experienced, or anywhere in between, Greensboro Public Library has books, DVDs, even magazines to help you get hooked on crochet.